finger painting or fingerprinting. There is a small difference in using fingers to paint instead of tools like brushes, while another technique is fingerprinting. Palm printing is the stage before fingerprinting. Although a messy activity, most children in preschool enjoy working with paints. In order to work with fingers, a child will have to practice using their pointer or thumb for printing, and hold the other fingers away. Thus, fingerprinting or painting fosters exercise for their little muscles, and also enhances printer grip and eye-hand coordination. Offer paint in a bowl or a palette. Let the children dip their finger and paint or print on the paper. Encourage them to make one print at a time. This enhances one-to-one correspondence for pre-math skills too. One print at a time also helps to color the picture in a creative manner. This being a messy activity, do keep a rag ready to help wipe off paints. This nurtures cleanliness in children. One can also assist children to wash their hands once their activity is complete. 3 to 4 children can use the same paint bowl or palette, which fosters social skills like sharing and waiting for your turn to use the common facility. Subscribe to Planet E to stay updated.